Assalamu alaikum students of class 6. I hope you are all fine. In New Oxford Modern English, book 6, we were on the poem. On page 36, part C, learning about language. We were done with our first question, which was related to sentences. Now let's move on to nouns. Again, we have already read about nouns in detail. Let's revise it again. Nouns are names of person, places, or things. And then there are four kinds of nouns: proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, and abstract nouns. Proper nouns. Proper nouns are actually the personal name of people, places, or things. ये लोगों, जगहों और चीज़ों के personal names होते हैं. The name usually not belong to others of the same kind. आमतौर पर ये नाम उसी तरह की दूसरी चीज़ों से बिलोंग नहीं करते. द वर्ड प्रॉपर हेयर मीन्स बिलोंगिंग टू और ऑन. दीज नेम्स ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद कैपिटल लेटर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मनीला, थॉमस, अल्लामा इकबाल. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, नेम अल्लामा इकबाल बिलोंग टू अ सर्टेन पर्सन. देन कॉमन नाउन्स. Common nouns are the names which are shared by a large class of persons or things. For example, table, chair, nail, head, man. ये कोई मखसूस नाम नहीं है. इनको हम किसी भी टेबल, चेयर, नेल, हेड वगैरह के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Collective nouns. These are the names of groups of persons or things of the same kind. एक ही तरह की चीज़ों के लिए या एक ही तरह के लोगों के ग्रुप के लिए जो नाम हम यूज़ करते हैं उन्हें कलेक्टिव नाउन कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, टीम, हर्ड, हीप, क्राउड. सो वी यूज़ अ सिंगल वर्ड फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स आर द नेम्स ऑफ स्टेट्स, क्वालिटीज़ और एक्शंस. फॉर एग्जांपल, ऑनेस्टी, लाफ्टर, विजडम, हाइट, पॉवर्टी. सो द क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू द नाउन्स हियर इज़: underline the proper nouns in the following sentences. In all these sentences, we need to underline the proper noun, name of a particular person, place, or thing, whatever we have here. So you can see I have underlined those proper nouns here, like in the first sentence, Rahil and Hanif, names of particular persons, are going to Karachi. Again, name of a particular place on Tuesday. So a particular day is mentioned, so we'll also underline that day. Then if we discuss C, from Karachi they are going to fly to Dubai on an Emirates plane. So Karachi, Dubai, Emirates, all of these are proper noun. They will stay with their friends Mr. and Mrs. Jenkins at 5 Park Lane, Dubai. Mr. and Mrs. Jenkins, name of a certain couple. Park Lane, Dubai, name of a particular place. So this is how you can solve this exercise. Question 3. Make a list of the common nouns in the following passage. नीचे हमें एक पैसेज दिया गया है और इस पैसेज में से कॉमन नाउन्स को हमने आइडेंटिफाई करना है. एंड यू कैन मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ दोज वर्ड्स. लाइक इट वॉज अ सनी डे. वर्ड डे इज़ अ कॉमन नाउन. दिन, वो दिन कोई भी हो सकता है. पर्टिकुलरली अगर हम लोग वर्ड डे को देखें तो दैट वुड बी आर कॉमन नाउन. द चिल्ड्रन हफ्ड एंड पफ्ड एज द रॉड अप द हिल ऑन देयर बाइसिकल्स. चिल्ड्रन, बच्चे. अब यहाँ पर बच्चों को, चिल्ड्रन को मखसूस नहीं किया गया बाय कॉलिंग देयर नेम्स, तो हम लोग इसको कॉमन नाउन ही कंसिडर करेंगे. हिल, अगेन इट कुड बी एनी हिल. Bicycles, when they got to the top they dismounted. Top, a common noun. Lay their bicycles on the grass. Grass, name है again, but it is a common noun. And sat on some large rocks. Rocks, a common noun, beside the road. अब प्रॉपर किसी रोड का नाम नहीं दिया गया, जस्ट ऐसे ही किसी ही भी रोड का बता दिया गया है, तो ये भी कॉमन नाउन होगा. Far below them they could see a river winding its way past a small river, way, village. All the human figures below looked minute, like tiny toys in a make-believe land. Figures, toys, land. So all of the underlined words over here are common nouns. Next question is again related to the proper nouns. Which of the following are proper nouns? Make a list and don't forget to put in the capital letter. नीचे दिए गए बॉक्स में हमने प्रॉपर नाउन्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना है और चूंकि वी ऑलवेज स्टार्ट अ प्रॉपर नाउन विद कैपिटल लेटर तो हमने उनके फर्स्ट लेटर को कैपिटल भी करना है लाइक पाकिस्तान, सैटरडे, वीनस, मिस्टर जैकब, मैड्रिड, यूनाइटेड नेशंस, इस्लाम, कैप्टन खान, मीनार पाकिस्तान, माजिद, and all the others which I have not read aloud but underlined. Question 5. Try to make adjectives from these proper nouns. Remember to start the adjectives too with a capital letter. For example, America, American. नीचे दिए गए प्रॉपर नाउन से हमने एडजेक्टिव्स बनाने हैं. ब्राज़ील, ब्राज़ीलियन. एलिज़ाबेथ, एलिज़ाबेथन. मार्स, मार्शियन. Spain, Spanish. Now quickly let's jump to the New Oxford Modern English Workbook 6 to solve the relative exercise of the poem. Let's see what sort of exercises we need to solve over here. So the first question or part A is related to parts of speech. We have already discussed them. What we need to do here is after each sentence write the function of the each word given. नीचे हमें कुछ सेंटेंसेस दिए गए हैं और फिर हर सेंटेंस के बाद एक वर्ड दिया गया है. हमने उस वर्ड का फंक्शन बताना है और बताना है कि किस पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच से वो बिलोंग करता है. As the first sentence over here is I immediately raced around the back and the word given below here is immediately. It is an adverb because it is describing the verb raced. I was at the wrong tennis club. Wrong is an adjective which is describing the noun club. Noun club जो यहाँ पर यूज़ हुआ है उसको जो डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है adjective that is wrong. C. I then raced around the back and as I did the bus took off. And is a conjunction and it is joining two parts of the sentence like before and after and we have parts of sentence and word and is joining them. E. The taxi driver bumped his head. His is a pronoun or determiner over here. It is showing who the head belonged to. किसका सर bump किया. She showed me to a room. To is a preposition. It is showing relationship between me and room. जैसा कि हमने पहले पढ़ा था कि एक नाउन का दूसरे नाउन के साथ रिलेशनशिप शो करने के लिए वो यूज़ preposition. तो यहाँ पर to वही फंक्शन परफॉर्म कर रहा है. J. Now he looked at his watch. Word is an interjection here as it is a spontaneous sound to show feeling. Part B, it is about nouns. Underline the proper nouns in the following. इसी तरह की एक्सरसाइज हम अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक में भी कर चुके हैं, उसको भी सॉल्व कर चुके हैं. लेट्स डू सो अगेन ओवर हियर. From Rome, the Asghar family traveled to San Francisco by Pakistan International Airlines. Rome, Asghar, San Francisco, Pakistan International Airlines. All of these are particular names of person, places. They left Leonardo da Vinci Airport at 6 in the morning. Their stay in Europe had been very pleasant but tiring. Europe, Leonardo da Vinci, both of these are proper nouns. Shoaib and Hina were tired of being dragged about the place to visit old ruins, museums, and art galleries. They look forward to seeing their cousin Maha, whom they had not seen since she left Karachi just after Eid ul-Fitr. Shoaib, Hina, Maha, Karachi, Eid ul-Fitr. These words are proper nouns. Next question is underline the common nouns in the following. So in the passage below, we need to highlight or underline the common nouns. During the flight, the air hostess asked them if they would like to visit the cockpit and speak to the captain. Flight, air hostess, cockpit, captain, all of these are common nouns. And if you will read the paragraph and will keep the description about the common nouns in your minds, you will be able to solve this exercise. As I've already underlined the common nouns over here. Question 3. Here is a list of words. Can you make a noun from each word by adding a suffix? The suffixes are in the box on the next page. नेक्स्ट पेज के बॉक्स में हमें सुफिक्सेस दी गई हैं. उन सुफिक्सेस को ऐड करने से हमने इन वर्ड से नाउन्स फॉर्म करने हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल पार्टनर, पार्टनरशिप, किंग, किंगडम, ऑक्शन, ऑक्शनियर, एम्प्लॉय, एम्प्लॉयर. These are the suffixes given in the box. Person, personality, friend, friendship, rival, rivalry, neighbor, neighborhood, mother, motherhood, gardener, garden, gardener. So by adding these suffixes you can form nouns. That was all for today. Thank you so much students, and Allah Hafiz.